Thank you for selecting Larry H. Miller Chevrolet Murray, where we have hundreds of new, pre-owned, and certified vehicles to choose from. Check out this.
Imagine driving this Summit White 2014 Chevrolet Impala Limited, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy this great car with features like windows, rear defogger, touring, suspension, windows, lockout button, suspension, stabilizer bars, rear, suspension, stabilizer bars, front, windows, laminated glass, acoustic, power windows, front wipers, intermittent, one-touch windows, daytime running lights, security, theft deterrent system, seats, front seat type, bucket, interior, chrome accents, and much more. Enjoy the drive, have peace of mind, and drive your entire family in this 2014 Chevrolet Impala Limited. See us at Larry H. Miller Chevrolet of Murray today.
Please contact us today or visit our site at LarryHMillerChevrolet.com. We look forward to seeing you soon.